In this video, I'll guide you through how to add video into text in DaVinci Resolve. This is a fantastic way to create engaging and visually striking content, perfect for adding a professional touch to your projects. Let's dive in and explore this technique step by step. First, you'll want to head over to the edit page. This is where all the magic happens, as it's the primary workspace for assembling your video project. Once you're on the edit page, start by adding your video clip to the timeline. You can simply drag and drop your chosen video file into the timeline area. This will serve as the background that will eventually appear inside your text. Make sure to position it exactly where you want it in your sequence, as this will be the foundation of your effect. Next, you'll need to add a text plus title. To do this, navigate to the effects library, which you can find on the upper left of the interface. Click on it, then scroll down to titles and select Text Plus. Drag the Text Plus title to the track above your video clip in the timeline. The Text Plus tool is incredibly powerful, allowing for dynamic and customizable text animations, which makes it perfect for this task. Once your Text Plus layer is in place, it's time to customize it. Click on the Text Plus clip in the timeline to select it, then open the Inspector panel, typically on the right side of your screen. In the inspector, you'll see various options to modify your text. Type the text you want to display in the designated field. You can choose something bold and eye-catching, as this will be the main feature of your effect. Feel free to experiment with different fonts and sizes until you find the look that best suits your project. Now that you have your text set up, keep the Text Plus clip selected and move over to the Inspector's Settings tab. Here, you'll find several options to adjust how the text interacts with other elements in your project. One crucial setting is the composite mode. By default, this is set to normal, which means your text will behave like any regular text overlay. However, to achieve the effect of having your video appear inside the text, you need to change this setting. Look for the composite mode drop-down menu and switch it from normal to stencil alpha. This change effectively turns your text into a mask, allowing the video clip beneath it to show through wherever the text is visible. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful technique to add video into text using DaVinci Resolve. This effect can be used in various creative ways, from title sequences to artistic overlays. Remember, the key to mastering this effect is to experiment with different text styles and video placements until you achieve the desired result. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you feel inspired to try out this effect in your own projects. With a bit of practice, you'll be adding stunning video text effects like a pro in no time. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.